In this quick tutorial we will go through the process of creation a modal window, so it would be looks like that. So how we all know that in Bubble we have element named floating group, so in WeWeb we don't have this one, so we can do it manually. Let's start from our layout settings. So basically we have a trigger element. This is our div that have an icon inside, and inside of that we have a div component named modal. So it's our modal window. So we have a condition visibility for this element. So we have overlay visible variable, and this variable have boolean type and default value false. So when we click in on the trigger button, we have action right there. This action just toggle this boolean value. So when we click on it, it also show to us a overlay that screen, it's like background that store on the back of the page. So for this element we have similar settings. So when overlay is visible, we will see this overlay. So let's go through the settings of the overlay. It's like 100% width and 100 view height there. So and another important point that we have absolute setting for that element, and that axis is lower than our trigger that axis. So the trigger will be in the front and overlay will be in the back of the screen. So for the trigger we have like regular settings. It's like cursor pointer, z-axis 9999, and we have our modal settings. It's also position absolute, and because of this modal div placed inside the trigger, so we can place it basically related to the trigger in our layout. So we have like right side alive, but we can center it or left it, and also we have some top distance, so we can make it like basically 0, and it will be on this line of the trigger element, but 36 it works good. So let's see how it works again. We just remove this. We can open our logs. From there we can see that overlay visible now is false. When we click in on the trigger button, we have this overlay visible true. So in this way, while clicking on the overlay element, we have this value toggled, and when we click in for example on the button, we can also toggle a value of this and handle a visibility. So basically that's all. If it was useful for you, subscribe to the Telegram channel. There will be more interesting and useful thing in the future. So we will create a community of developers to help each other to grow as software developers, as low code, no code developers. Thank you for the